Hello friends. This video is brought to you by mywayteaching.com.
Mode of group data. Let us recall that mode is that value among the observations which occur most often. So the value of observation having maximum frequency is the mode. Let us look at the following example. The wicket taken by a bowler in 10 cricket matches are as follows. So we are given the raw data. Let us make the frequency distribution table. So he took 0 wickets once, 1 wicket once, 2 wickets thrice, 3 wickets twice, 4 wickets once, 5 wickets once and 6 wickets once. Clearly, 3 is the maximum frequency. So, the value of the observation corresponding to the maximum frequency, that is 2, is the mode. Here the data was ungrouped. So looking at the frequency, we could find the mode. But in a grouped frequency distribution, it is not possible to determine the mode by looking at the frequencies. There we can only locate a class with maximum frequency, which is called the model class. Let us take this example of group data and see how we will find the mode of this data. So now here we can only locate a class with the maximum frequency that will be called the model class. Like in this example, maximum frequency is 8. So 3 to 5 is our model class. Now we denote frequency of the model class by F1, frequency of the class preceding the model class by F0, and frequency of the class succeeding the model class by F2. So we have F1 equal to 8, F0 equal to 7 and F2 equal to 2. Assuming that all the class sizes are equal, 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, 9 minus 7 is 2, 11 minus 9 is 2. So class size is equal. We have H, that is the size of the class interval, equal to 2 here, and let L denote the lower limit of the model class. So here L is equal to 3. Next we have a formula to find the mode, which goes like this. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 whole by 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. We have to remember this formula to find mode of group data. It only remains to substitute the values in this formula and find the mode of the given question. So let us do it. We have L equal to 3 plus F1 is 8 minus F0 is 7 whole by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. After calculations, we get mode equal to 3.286. Hence, we sum up by saying that to find mode of group data, we need to understand the notations and remember the formula which will give us the mode. Let us read the question. The marks distribution of 30 students in mathematics examination are given in this table. Find the mode of this data. Also compare and interpret the mode and the mean. Since the maximum number of students is 7 that have got marks in the interval 40 to 55, therefore 40 to 55 is the model class. Hence, the lower limit of the model class L is 40. Class size H is 25 minus 10 is 15, and all the class intervals have same class size, so we can take H equal to 15. Frequency of the model class, that is F1, is equal to 7. Frequency of the class preceding the model class, that is F0, is equal to 3. Frequency of the class succeeding the model class is 6. So F2 is equal to 6. We know the following formula for calculating mode. Let us substitute the values. We get mode equal to 40 plus 7 minus 3 whole by 14 minus 6 minus 3 into 15, which gives us mode equal to 52. We also need to calculate the mean of this data. Let us use the direct method. Then mean will be given by x bar equal to summation fi xi whole by summation fi, which is equal to 1860 by 30, that is 62. So here we have mode equal to 52 and mean equal to 62, which means that maximum number of students got 52 marks, while on an average the students obtained 62 marks.